I put some sheep underglow from Amazon on the Hellcord, and the funny thing is I put the same kit on like a year ago, but then it broke and it fell off, and ever since then, there's been no lights on the car. But finally, I got it back, and today I'm gonna be showing you off and also showing you all the crazy scents it has, because for 50 bucks, you get a quite variety of options on your underglow. And I can control this underglow with an app on my phone. So just pick up the phone, we can just switch it to anything we would like. There's actually a lot of options. I think like 120 different combinations. Now right here is my personal favorite scent, the cop lights, which of course I would never use on a public road. I'm not fucking goofy, so if you get underglow like this or any underglow, don't rent red or blue lights, or at least flashing. I don't really know the law, so I'm not trying to give you legal advice, but these lights are clearly cop lights, so this will never be used actually. But that's not the only scent we have, because on this app, like I said, 120 combinations of different like flash and lights and shit. I mean, here's a generic one that everyone like used to promote like their lights, just all the colors of rainbow real quick, so you can just see. These are actually pretty bright. You pretty much have any combination you want of any solid color, flashing or multicolor, which I'll probably get to eventually, but pretty much you've probably seen underglow before. But have you seen the underglow on the Hellcord? And even though you've seen it right here sitting in this parking lot, I'm gonna hop in this and show you what it looks like while it's driving. Now for real though, this is the scent that you'll probably see the Hellcord running most of the time, because if you look at my profile picture, this is the OG underglow that has been on the car since ever. Like, I bet you have never seen this underglow in this car. If you have, let me know in the comments, because you probably been watching for a good minute. Now, if you did miss the era of the Hellcord, which you probably did, that's fine, because I made a whole video explaining all the origins of this vehicle. And it's on screen right now, so all you gotta do is click it and go watch it.